Birds can fly, and a fly goes buzz. Tricky, Sticky Words by Stephen O'Connor. Illustrations by Annabelle Tempest. Music by Mark Oblinger.
Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. When you hear the word bark, what does bark mean? One little word can mean many, many things. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. Does bark mean the sound a dog makes when running free? Or does bark mean the rough and woody skin of a tree? Bark is a funny word, remember if you choose it. A dog can bark, a tree has bark, it depends on how you use it. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. When you hear the word fly, what does fly mean? One little word can mean many, many things. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. Does fly mean a buzzing bug with wings and buggy eyes? Or does fly mean when a bird or kite soars through the skies? Fly is a funny word, remember if you choose it. Birds can fly, a fly goes buzz, it depends on how you use it. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. When you hear the word duck, what does duck mean? One little word can mean many, many things. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. Does duck mean a bird that swims and waddles and goes quack? Or does duck mean to duck down low when that baseball bat goes whack? Duck is a funny word, remember if you choose it. You can duck down low, a duck can quack, it depends on how you use it. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. When you hear the word bat, what does bat mean? One little word can mean many, many things. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing. Does bat mean a furry creature hunting in the night? Or does bat mean a stick that hits a baseball out of sight? Bat is a funny word, remember if you choose it. The bat can hang, you can hit with a bat, it depends on how you use it. Funny, funny animal words, oh that's the song we sing.